take you over, you just can't breathe. Do you feel your bones start to shake? Do you feel the earthquake? Do you feel your...
Hey there, today we're doing a smoky brown look with a pop of gold. Starting with a light brown and a fluffy brush, I begin to blend that into my crease. It is important to make sure that you have primed your eyes and done your eyebrows before beginning this process. Now, just defining my eye shape just a little bit more, I take a bit of a deeper brown and blend that into my crease, as well as blend that into the outer corner to make sure I really lock in that shape. Now, taking a bit of a deeper and cool toned brown, I begin to blend that in and pack it in, as you can see here, further defining the shape of my eye. Taking my darkest shade, which is my cool brown, and I begin to blend that into my crease, and especially focusing that on the outer corner and making my lines very defined and sharp at this point. I also begin to drag this down on my lower lash line because this is a more dramatic look, so we want it to be one cohesive structure. Now I'm taking a lighter brown shade, almost white, and softening up the edges so that we don't have one harsh line going there. Now, taking some gold shadow on my finger, I go ahead and start at the center of my lid and start to blend it out to where I want it to be. Taking a little more gold, I begin to kind of figure out where I really want this to end up. It's almost like a half-cut crease, but a little more soft. Now, taking that same dark shade again, I go ahead with my fluffy brush and blend it out so that my gold sits where I want it to. Now that both eyes are complete, go ahead and pop on some lashes, and your look is all done. Thanks for following along. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial as much as I did.